In this video, I'm going to share it to you and how I can fix if pictures are not showing in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First is just go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Chrome. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize it. And here I'm just going to search for images, okay? And if I'm going to click on it, as you can see, pictures are not showing in Google Chrome. So how can we fix this? It's just very easy, do not worry. On the top right corner, you'll find Customize and Control Google Chrome in three dots. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find Settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for Privacy and Security, the one with the shield symbol. And then scroll down and you'll find Site Settings. Okay, click on that. Scroll down and under Content or Additional Permissions, you'll find Images. So here, make sure that you do not select the second option, don't allow sites to show images. Make sure it's the first option from this two options. Sites can show images, okay? And if I'm going to go back into this and I'm just going to reload it, this time the problem has been fixed, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.